Alright, what's going on, people? Welcome back. Let me just get this. There we are. Welcome back, people. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Oh, phone charger. 2 seconds. 2 seconds. Alright. Alright. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. Welcome back, people. Let me get Zoom fired up here. See what we got for the day. Gold's on having an amazing rip today. We've been in long since Tuesday. And shared more longs today. Let's have a look, see what we got. See what we got for the London session. Let me see. Alright, there we go. There we go. Awesome. Why's my phone not charging? There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, let me get everyone in here. So let me have a quick look at the news today. Quick look at the news. Unemployment claims today. Nothing too crazy. Alright, let me get the Zoom guys in here. What's going on, Zoom guys? Welcome back. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Welcome back, everyone. What's up, everyone? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. Already took shorts at 43. Yeah, be careful short. Gold's repping. Don't short gold. Gold's ripping. Gold is ripping. And having an amazing push, actually. A very, very nice push. The only news we got today is unemployment claims, which doesn't really have too much of an impact anymore, to be honest. Nothing crazy, which is good. The only thing is, you've had a pre-London, you've had a 170 tick push up here on gold pre-London. So you're going to go sideways for the next couple of hours now. You just got to deal with it. It is what it is. You're not going to continue ripping up. You're not going to rip down. You're going to go sideways. You're going to create space like this. You impulse, you range, you impulse again. You're going to range again. But all you guys on Zoom, you should all already be in longs. Everyone should be in longs. We've been in longs since Tuesday. And then I called again longs again here today. What London will do? Who knows? No idea. If we get opportunities to continue buying it, amazing. But I absolutely will not be selling gold today. I wouldn't take a single sell position on gold today, personally. What time is it? Almost time. Almost time. Is everyone in here? Yep, I think everyone's in. What time is it? 7 AM? Yeah, let's do it. 7 AM London time.
Recording in progress.
Alright. Oh, one more joining. One more. Alright, cool. Let's have a look at gold here. Gold is having an amazing push up today. This is the move that we've been speaking about since Tuesday. You guys in the community, we've been talking about these longs since Tuesday. Talking about buying up into here and here. Well, all of the liquidity has now been hit. Since grabbing these daily lows, you know, you're running up like 350 plus ticks, 300 plus ticks at least. Grabbing all of the upside here on gold, which is amazing. There was a ridiculous amount of long opportunities today as well, even in Asia, pre-London, loads of opportunities. Even if you took the break of these highs here up into these highs, you have about 75, 80 ticks. Very, very nice. Now you're grabbing these highs. You're going to need to see how you close. You're not going to start jumping in shorts yet. Gold's just ripped up 170 ticks. If you start trying to short gold, you're trying to predict too much. You're trying to fight the markets. You should be in longs already. You should be massively in longs. Because you could still tap into 2350. If you have a look at here on the weekly, you could easily still come up into here and still come much higher. If you try and short this weekly, you're trying to trade what you think. There's an absolute zero reason to short gold. You might make a quick little buck here and there, but you're not going to become a consistently profitable trader trying to trade against gold. You will blow up. And even if you do short, where's your targets? Where's your downside liquidity here? Absolutely none. So we want to still be looking for some longs here on gold, because you could easily still come all the way back up into here. You could easily come all the way back up into there. That's that kind of very, very nice big level there. You've also got 2350 as well. But are you going to buy it here? No, I'm not going to buy gold there. Gold's already given many of buying opportunities there. If you pull back down to here and then give some indication that we could go long, amazing. But there was already, your buying opportunities were here today on gold. And there was ones down here. I tried to get the longs from here, but this Audi gave no bottom wick. And some of you guys in Discord tried to get them longs as well. We said in our market call to come back down to this region before getting the longs. You re-grab these lows, closed above, but you had zero bottom wick on this hourly, so it was very, very difficult to catch it, if not impossible. So as soon as this hourly closed, this hourly opened and just ripped up. And then you gave even nicer opportunities here. Grab the lows again. 2 equal highs, bottom wick. Take this long, boom, there's your trade for the day. Absolutely incredible. Incredible, incredible. Yeah, early hours for UK, yeah, it is pretty early, but there's nothing you can really do. It's just the markets, really. The markets move when they want. You know, if you didn't already catch this move, there's honestly nothing you can do there, other than wait for it to go sideways for the next 1, 2, 3, 4 hours, and then see if you get the continuation. If it moves outside of your time zone, it's not really a lot you can do. That's Goldie. We'll still have another good move today, but it doesn't. It's very unlikely going to do it now. Yeah, it pushed up again at like 4:30, 5 a.m. London time, which I was like, I didn't even watch the charts then. But I mean, this one didn't. This one came in at 12:30 London time. Everyone should still be in longs from there. Good afternoon, lads. Hey Nate, what's going on, man? So yeah, if we start closing back above, more longs. I would need to see this 30 close strong. 30 just wick the highs, close bearish. I'm not going to short it. There's zero downside targets. Oh, did I? Oh, shit. Let me change it. Thank you, man. Let me change it. Copy text. Yeah, I can try turning it up, man. It says to me it's quite high on mine. It's almost in the red zone on mine. Where did I post that trade setup? So yeah. Hey to that person. That's all good, man. It's all good. There you go. It's an announcement now. Volume sounds alright. Yeah, it says to me on my side that it's almost in the red. So if I turn it up anymore, it will actually be. It'll make it too loud. Four-hour on gold. Huge 4-hour close. Bottom wick and re-breaking the highs. Could still see us push up much higher. Caught a couple of longs at the top. Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Longs are amazing. We've been in the longs in Discord since Tuesday. The longs are very nice. Very nice. Morning, fam. Hey, Dre, what's going on, man? Let's see if we start closing back above to get more longs on Goldie. It's a pretty weird area to start buying gold. You want to be buying gold here. You want to be buying gold here. You don't want to be buying gold here. So it'll be pretty difficult to buy it there. Unless it's like a perfect setup, it's pretty difficult to buy here. You need to pull back, grab some lows, reject, grab some lows, then boom, then amazing, then you get the longs. Good morning, good morning. What's up? 4-hour trend line from 2450. Possible third touch. Let's have a look. Yeah, this one. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely come and grab that. Yeah, it's a nice spot. I like that. I like that. Here, I wonder why we don't look for shorts. Stop me from going short. The fact that gold is bullish. Gold's pushed up 300, almost 400 ticks. There's this previous 4-hour just closed with a 110 tick bullish candle. There's zero reason to trade against that. If you try and short that, you're fighting the markets. The markets are bullish. Every single time frame is bullish. Yeah, literally every single time frame is bullish. And there's no downside liquidity. If you try and short, where's your liquidity levels? We grabbed lows, we pushed higher. We've grabbed lows, we pushed higher. Grab lows, we pushed higher. You're just pushing up. If you try and catch the tops and try and fight the markets, you'll miss out on more buying opportunities. But yeah, I personally won't be taking a single short position today. Not even as an intraday trade. It just makes no sense. You guys should already be in the longs from here or down here or down here. They look like it's forming a head and shoulders. Yeah, I think so, man. The potential one, like, I kind of see this big one here. This big one here. If you're not looking at that one, man. Or kind of here as well. Come up into that one. Yeah, big one. Yeah, the big one, 100%, man. Absolutely. That's why the longs are so nice. I mean, if you take a big swing fib from here to here as well, you got that 71, 78 around there as well. That'd be a very, very nice trade. Weekly flipping bullish as well. Last week closed bullish. This week gave a massive instant bottom wick with no top wick. So you buy into that, you're re-breaking weekly highs. Yeah, that's very, very possible, man. Very possible. Big sales code, yeah. Too high risk, yeah. It's had a very, very nice push. Yeah, how is that? How is that month looking? How long we got? One more week of this month? Yeah, so next week is the last week of the month. How's this monthly looking? Interesting. Kind of had a big bottom wick first. It's a very, very big level though. Over the next couple of months, you could easily actually see gold dip down quite a lot. Yeah, maybe wick up a little. Maybe if this month doesn't, close bearish, next month maybe grab monthly highs, which should also tap into that head and shoulders before seeing that big dip down. Big dip. What time is it? 9 minutes. It's kind of weird to look for longs here. It doesn't really make too much sense to look for longs here on gold, but also there's zero reason to look for sells. So we'll see. We'll see how today goes. You might need to give it at least like an hour and a half of price action. I don't really see why anything would show up right now, unless you break these highs. Then you break these highs, then amazing. Then you got longs. Breaking liquidity highs, like if you've just taken it off the daily, is very, very nice. 100 plus ticks. So if we re-break them highs, which looks like a liquidity grab to push down, you re-break them highs, you got another 50, 60. Let's have a look. I don't know why I'm watching the 5 minute, but I have a brief look. Good morning. Have you ever heard of third touch of a trendline liquidity strategy? That's what we trade every day on stream, man. That's what we talk about every day. If you've been trading third touch trendline manipulation, yeah, that's what we trade every day. I'm new here. What's up, man? Welcome to the stream. But yeah, the nicest trade for me so far today, almost down here, but the cleanest Asia trade for me was that right there. Insanely simple. 17 tick stop loss. Targeting them highs for 50. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. Can you answer my question? Yeah, no worries, man. What happened to gold? Just having an amazing push. It's the push we've been talking about all week. Yeah, it can be worth it sometimes, Ross. It can be a bit hit and miss sometimes, to be honest, man. Sometimes it can be good, sometimes it can be a bit slow. But if you can, yeah, sometimes it can be worth watching. But yeah, gold's just having an amazing push. The amount of, that's why we've been buying gold. The amount of retail traders who would have been short here, stops above that high, would have been huge. We've been talking about these liquidity levels since last week. Talking about all of these highs to be grabbed since last week on gold. And everyone's trying to short gold, but you're just ripping all highs. You're never going to have a dip down on gold without grabbing them highs. It's a very, very nice move. I'm still in some longs from all the way down here from Tuesday. We gave these in Discord on Tuesday. We're running about 300 plus ticks. When would you look for shorts? Tomorrow. I wouldn't trade against yesterday. You're re-breaking all daily highs. You're breaking all levels of resistance. I wouldn't be taking a single sell on gold. If you guys are looking for sells, you gotta ask yourself why you're looking for sells. Gold's pushing. Why would you not just want to follow the markets? Why do you always want to fight it? Gold's literally pushing up. You can see it's pushing up. Why would you want to sell it? If I did want to consider sells, I would have to see some very strong bearish price action to get back below here. Remove the sell button. Yeah, well, that's good for you. Good today. You don't want to touch that sell button today. Don't fight the markets. Just look for long opportunities. We're very bullish. Price action is bullish. But loved your video. It's been a great help. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. And it definitely is hard to get good information this side of the world. I have a lot of. I probably get daily ads of people over here. Up or down, according to my analysis? Well, according to what we're seeing in the charts, up. It doesn't matter what I draw. Gold on a intraday time frame is bullish. Bullish. You could pull back down to here and then get the longs again. But just because you could pull back doesn't mean you sell it. Not when it's had this big rip up. So we'll see how long we stay on here for today, because you're not going to. There's not really a lot you can do here. Same as when you're ripping like this. There's not a lot you can do here. You wait for it to pull back, reject, grab lows, then boom, then you just take the longs again. But if you're trying to take shorts, you miss out on this amazing rip up. It's a beautiful rip up. You break above a level, you retest it, you liquidate the lows, and you continue pushing. You need exactly the same thing down here. Same thing here as well. We took longs yesterday in New York as well. Where was our longs yesterday in New York? These ones? Yeah, these ones. Took these longs yesterday in New York. As soon as you came into this head and shoulders region, left shoulder, head, right shoulder, risk had to come off the table, and then you ranged and then broke out today, which was nice to see actually. When I woke up and saw it didn't do anything, I was like, actually, that's really nice. Very nice. Yesterday I made 1,200, today 1,000. Very nice. Awesome. That's you done for the week. What news do you have tomorrow? PMI tomorrow. PMI. $15 just closed bullish, instant top wick. We'll see how this 30 closes. But you're honestly gonna need like an extra hour of price action here. So I'm not too sure how long I'll watch this for. We don't need to watch it. Oh, wait, hey Jaden, what's going on, man? $50K combine, yeah, very nice. Oh, violate the 50% rule. Yeah, 50% rule is what is it? 1,500. You can't make more than 1,500 a day. No bias for me unless it comes down to 47 to 45. 47 to 45. Is that on the futures? Let me have a look on the futures. I assume that's the futures. Let me have a look. Let me have a look, man. You go 30, 40. What are you looking at? 47 to 45. Yeah, exactly the same as me, man. Yeah, exactly the same as me. I'd consider around these areas. Where we've kind of got it here. back down here. But yeah, absolutely. I agree, man. No buys till then. It makes no sense. Same as here, you know, when it's ripping up here. If you try to take buys here, you go into like what, instant minus 40 plus ticks. Even if you try and buy it here, it's never just going to continue ripping up. You get stopped out, and then the real move comes. You want it to pull back, find some support, re-grab the lows. Then that's when you take the longs. You risk off that low, and then there's your longs. And I got no upside liquidity level now. Our liquidity level for this week's all been hit. Every single level. The downside's been hit. These lows got hit. All of these highs have now been hit. The only upside areas you have is just a kind of level of resistance. There's no perfect double tops. That train's been and gone. Yeah, equal highs. Yeah, it's always the way, man. That's why I don't watch the futures chart for analysis, because it can respect like perfect double tops and drop beautifully and never grab them. $19.20 counts as 1 day? Too sure. It should say depending on what platform you're using, it should say the daily P&L at the top anyway. It will say your realized daily P&L. So if that's, not 2,200, then that shouldn't be right. Taking a trade off the stream. Yeah, we took longs in the US session. Around here, we took these longs. Got stopped to break even. Then you saw this big push up. At least I hope so. Yeah, no, it should be. It definitely should be. Even if it wasn't, I'm pretty sure they would let you off with that. As long as it says at the top what your daily P&L is, it'll always be based off that. June's been a very, very active month. Other than like these big ranges. June NFP, like 400. Tuesday, this week, like over 300. There's like 700 ticks if you literally just took them 2 plays this month. It's absolutely huge. Hope we reach 352. Yeah, I think it's very possible, man. Very possible. Maybe not from here though. Probably not from here. You may have to pull back a little bit first. But yeah, I think it's a pretty easy level to look for. 2350 is looking like a pretty easy target. Yeah, 100% Ross. I understand it. Honestly, not a lot we can really do. I'm not too sure how long we'll sit and watch this. I'll wait for this 30 close, but don't do anything up here. Gold's already had the longs. If you want the continuation, it's down here. It's not here. So if it's not here, then what's the point in watching it? Or unless maybe it breaks these highs, you may have it. Otherwise, you're literally going to watch it do nothing. Same as when you have this rip up here. You take a break, you come back in 2 hours, boom, amazing, you get the next longs. Why would I look at this area? It's just a previous level we've just broken out of. You've broken it, you haven't yet retested it, you'll probably retest it and then potentially push high. You'd want to see it pull down, grab some lows, hold above, and then long. Dollar could drop. Nah, I don't. I mean, maybe I don't really correlate gold and US dollar. Very rarely. US dollar's moving up, so is gold. It's just noise. I sometimes might look at it, but it's very rare. I don't really care about the SY. It's basically just Euro USD. Because if this was pushing up, you know, you'd expect gold to go down. But it's absolutely not. But yeah, overall the US dollar looks bullish to me. Looks very bullish. But I honestly never really look at it. I don't care about it. But you have grabbed some lows, you know, closed above. You may fill in this range, which, you know, on paper should mean gold should go down. It's not that strong. Not that strongly correlated that actually it makes that much of a difference. Because you could easily see gold pull all the way back up into here first. All the way back up into there. It makes sense on paper, you know, looking at the DXY, but in reality, it doesn't actually help. $15 pushing up, no bottom wick. Next 15 can pull back and then retest. Yeah, that'd be ideal. Otherwise, just gonna keep pushing, I think. Just keep pushing. If there was a bottom wick, you know, maybe you could have considered it, but there's none. That's my buy button now. Yeah, I think so, Callum. Yeah, I think it could be a good plan. You just need stop loss plays, and that's the thing. If you try and buy it up here, so but you could easily come down here and retest before going up. So it's like, how big would your stops have to be? Especially when a 30 didn't grab any of these lows. If we had wicked out some lows, you know, I'd be looking for these longs now. But the fact you didn't grab any of these, I think price could easily come back down to here before pushing up. Four-hour, yeah, 4 hour. Look at that, 4 hours bullish. Bottom wick breaking higher. Yeah, if this 30 closes bullish, yeah, you're gonna have a pretty tough time. If this 30 closes bullish, you're gonna have a tough time because you got no stop loss position. 0.5 from 3.8. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Yeah, we got some longs from down here still. I just secured some more of these longs. We took longs on Tuesday, and they're still running up. We took longs into here. Do I still have it drawn up? Yeah, there. As soon as we hit into here as well, secured even more. And now it's just running. And my last little bit of this now will be to use as a hedge for when you try and get some sells. Overnight fees, yeah, I did actually. Yep, I had some swap fees. Can't remember how much it was, but yeah, there was almost about $100, maybe $150, maybe. This is why you don't look for sales on gold. 3 million loss, that's ridiculous. I've seen Bitcoin, crypto's having a decent dip. A very decent dip. Oh, did you close back above 65? Yeah, you did. Pretty much. Oh, did it? What did it? Yeah, did oil push? Yeah, broke above 80, retested, pushed up. Yeah, that was a lovely buy. That's how you get continuation plays. You pull back, you push up, you wait for it to pull back for like 2-3 hours. As soon as you grab some lows, then boom, amazing continuation. So exactly the same as what gold does that right there. Gold's done that about 3 times today. Very, very nice. Very nice. Nasdaq still ripping. I wish I had my longs. I just have some longs on S&P. Really good buy on gold after you break that. 34 ticks. Yeah, nice. Very nice. Yeah, it's pushing beautifully. Pushing beautifully. $92 ticks. Not a bad week. Yeah, amazing, man. Yeah, amazing. Yeah, very, very nice week. It's been a very, very good month. Very, very good month. June's been amazing. Other than these slow times, like if you just wait for the good trades, like you know, we gave NFP shorts for like down into these lows for like 200, then into 2300 for like 300 ticks. Could have taken them shorts and then buys on Tuesday, you'd be up over 700 this month. Literally just in them 2 trades alone, which is just incredible. You just stay out of times like that. It's not going to do that for the whole month or the whole week. And you get 100, 200, 300 pretty easy. Just got to wait for breakouts, wait for volume. 5-minute grabbing some 5-minute lows there for the first time. If you re-break them highs, you could have a drive there on gold. You may as well look at something else. Gold's not going to give a trade today in the next like 2-3 hours. So you may as well let's have a look at something else. I'd actually had a pound move. The reason gold's not going to move in the next 2-3 hours is because it needs to pull back. It's not just going to keep running. You got to wait for it to pull back. So if it's going to do nothing in the next few hours, you may as well just leave it. Let's have a look. Actually, I need to have a look at. Let's have a look at the Australian dollar. Yeah, a bit of a mess as well. I wonder if oil will give a. Nah, look at oil. Is that the hourly? Look at that hourly on oil. That's insane. That is crazy. I don't think I've ever seen oil go that slow for that long. That's crazy. Yeah, holiday season. Let's have a look at that. Let's have a look at. Another run here. Yeah, you might. Maybe you're gonna get a run here is if if you break these sides, you could look for a trade. I'm not gonna take it personally. I'm already in good longs, but yeah, if you break the high, you may see it. But you should understand if you buy here, your downside risk is very large. It's very large because you could easily, you could easily pull back to here and then see that long. Just wait to the highs, close bearish, straight back bullish as well. Unless you start grabbing some lows and then re-break some highs, then you could maybe get a better risk reward. $23.60. Yeah, $23.60. Yeah, it'd be a very nice run. Very, very nice run. That's what I'll be looking for later. I didn't get any new buys today, unfortunately. But if I want more buys later on, yeah, it'll be when you come back down to here and do this pretty much. To get a continuation, that's literally all you want. That's all you need. Super simple. Yeah, so bullish. Yeah, so yeah, both to be honest, Harry. Both. There's no downside liquidity, and it's already had a very strong push today. When it's done this for the day, you can take pullbacks, but like when it has these big runs, you definitely don't want to sell it, and because we're already in longs, and the daily and weekly is flipping bullish, and yeah, no downside liquidity, man. If you have perfect double bottoms, then you could be looking for them shorts, but right now, it's that bullish that it just makes no sense to sell it. Yeah. So one of the strongest pushes we've seen since like back on Tuesday. But if you had perfect double bottoms to come and grab, you could consider it. But we've grabbed all of our levels. Grabbed the lows, ripped higher. Grabbed the lows, ripped higher. So yeah, no liquidity and being just very strong, man. Very, very strong. How much do you risk per trade in Top Step? I've done a whole vid on it, man. Let me find it. I did it on an example of 100k, I think. Where are we? Risk management. Yeah, here. Here you go. Actually, what's considering gold's ripping? What's is silver started to have the move yet? Yeah, silver starting to have the move. Very nice. Very, very nice. I'll watch this 15 close maybe, but honestly I don't see anything on gold. So if his 15 doesn't give us some sort of indication that we might do something, I'll probably leave London. You need at least like another 2-3 hours of price action here to want to buy up here. All you literally want to look for is this. That's all you need to look for today. Another one of them, which you're gonna get today. It's had this big rip, but it wasn't in your time zone. That's absolutely out of our control. You just got to wait for it to pull back and then do the same again. You know, it's a 100 tick push. It would have been great if it came in London, but it's not how the markets work. How's the hourly looking? Grabbing previous hourly highs. Uranium. Let's have a look. Bullish on uranium. What even is that? URA
is the Global X ETF.
URA, nice. Oh yeah, URA.
If you look at it on a monthly, it's like in its wave 3 now. Really bullish.
Oh wow. $30 well. 70%.
People were holding it from like 2015 to 2021 in just like a huge range.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Broke out, retested, and then just ripping down.
Yeah, that's crazy. Look at that. Can't trade on my TradeAvate. It says expire time error. I'm not too sure, man. You gotta make sure you're on the right contract, maybe. Never rebroke the highs, pushing back lower here on Goldie. Starting to create a range, which is good. That's what you need. You need a range created so you can start creating liquidity. So now you have some nice highs to grab. You also got some nice lows to grab. This is what you need after a big push. You got to let it go sideways, create liquidity, then you get your next trade. Like this. Here again. 220, yeah, 220 London time. Was that the 30-minute one? 220? No. 220. What was that? What time frame was on there? Very, very nice one there. Very nice. I think gold will go for an all-time high. I don't really think that far ahead, to be honest, man. You mean just like, if I think it was like a long-term perspective? Nah, I don't think so just yet. In terms of what I would trade, like something that big doesn't really cross my mind. I'm in for, you know, I'm in for these moves and these moves I don't really think about here. But on the monthly, just as a overall outlook, nah, not yet. You know, maybe once you come back down, retest some levels, and you know, you could probably see it. I mean, gold's always ripping all-time highs. So eventually, yeah, definitely. There's no reason why this amount of history wouldn't repeat. But I think it could, yeah, could pull back quite a lot first, and then see the dip. Pull back, range for a good few months, create some big spaces like this, like you did for almost 4 years, from August 2020 all the way to March 24. Huge range, and then big breakout. Grab the lows, break above, boom. So yeah, probably eventually, but not anytime soon. I think it'd pull back quite a lot before then.
How's your MMA going, Aaron?
Yeah, it's good, man. It's good. It's going like 4 times a week.
Hey.
It's good, man. Smashing it. Yeah, it's good, man. It just gets me out. Gets me out in the morning. Otherwise, I end up watching Asia for too long.
Yeah, fair.
Gonna make some breakfast. Yeah, all good, Ross. See you after, man. Secret of Royale, replacing McGregor. That's why he pulled out, because we sparred too hard.
What is the reason he pulled out? He had an injury or?
Yeah, I think he had an injury. Some sort of excuse. To be fair though, they didn't build any hype behind it. Like, they did no press conferences or anything. Nostril issue.
They just use his name.
Yeah, yeah. You'd be pissed if you bought tickets for it as well and you couldn't get a refund.
Yeah. How about Kamazat?
Yeah, yeah. Crazy.
Let's see what it's doing.
Look at the weekly. Strong gold. Yeah, strong. Yeah, we've been long on gold all week. We've been long on gold since Tuesday for this exact move. Even you guys on YouTube, we gave these buys on gold at the very start of the week. We said on Monday, come down, grab these lows, and then buys up into here. It's a very, very nice push. A very, very nice push. It's the whole move we've been wanting this week. And we caught it perfectly. Perfectly. Just passed my 50k combine. Awesome, man. Good work. Risk management plan. Same as whatever you did to get funded, really. Build it up first, though, before you take payouts and stuff like that. Or you could trade smaller size till you build it up, but I don't like messing around with risk management like that. Sometimes, you know, people say use 0.5% risk and then build up and then use 1. Well, it's like, I don't really think that makes sense personally. What is my bias? I've just been explaining it down for the past hour. How'd that 15 close? Yeah. Bullish, bearish, yeah, I'll leave it there, guys. We're not gonna do anything now. We're literally gonna wait for like another at least 2 hours of price action. And if I'm gonna take gold buys, I'm gonna wait for us to get back down here. There's no point watching this. So I'm gonna leave an alert there. If we come back down here, start grabbing some lows exactly like this, that's how you get the continuation. Not buy it here. Don't buy it here. Don't sell it here. If you want to buy it, you buy it here. Or if you want to sell it, maybe you could sell it once you close back below here. So yeah. You guys on Zoom, I'll update in Discord once we get some alerts going off. For now, just let it do its thing. You're not gonna get a trade up here. Just leave it, wait for it to pull back, and then amazing. We'll see what we get. Yeah, 100% Robbie. I told you guys in Discord once the alerts go off. Enjoy, guys. Bye-bye.
Thanks, bro.
See you, mate. All right, guys. YouTube fam, I'm going to wrap up there. Gold's already had a huge push today. We got longs on Tuesday. If you're not already in longs, don't try to buy it there. Also, don't try and short it. Gold's too bullish. Wait for it to pull back. Grab some lows, then amazing. Then you get the continuation. Trying to trade it at these highs is just kind of pointless. It's already had a big push today. If you didn't get it, then it is what it is. There'll be another trade right around the corner. Just wait for it to pull back, go again, and I'll see you guys same time tomorrow. Trade safe. Close the laptop, come back in a couple of hours, and you'll have a much easier trading time. And I'll see you guys then. Enjoy. Peace.